Hello everyone, today I will talk about the United States of America, a country full of diversity, innovation, and culture. The United States or USA is located in North America. It is the third largest country in the world. It shares borders with Canada in the north and Mexico in the south. To the east, it has the Atlantic Ocean, and to the west, the Pacific Ocean. The country has a wide variety of landscapes, including mountains, forests, deserts, and plains. The Mississippi River, the Great Lakes, and the Great Canyon are some of its famous natural landmarks. The history of the United States is very interesting. It was founded in 1776 when 13 colonies declared independence from Britain. George Washington became the first president. Over the years, the country grew and new states joined the Union. The USA faced challenges like the Civil War, but it became stronger and more united. Today, it is one of the most powerful countries in the world. The people of the United States come from many different backgrounds. This makes the country very diverse. People speak English as the main language, but many other languages are spoken too, like Spanish, Chinese, and French. Americans have many different religions, traditions, and culture. Festivals like Thanksgiving, Independence Day, and Christmas are celebrated with great joy. Daily life in the United States varies depending on where you live. In big cities like New York or Los Angeles, people live busy lives, going to work, school, and social events. In smaller towns, life is slower, with more focus on family and community. Most people live in houses or apartments, travel by car, and enjoy outdoor activities like sports and hiking. Education in the USA is very important. Children usually start school at the age of 5. There are public schools which are free and private schools which require tuition. After school, students can go to colleges and universities to study different subjects. American universities are famous all over the world for research and innovation. Work culture in the United States is focused on hard work and discipline. People usually work from Monday to Friday, and many have flexible jobs today. Americans value punctuality, teamwork, and efficiency. They also believe in entrepreneurship, and many small business and startups grow every year. The economy of the United States is very strong. It is a leader in technology, trade, and finance. Companies like Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon started in the USA. The country is also rich in natural resources, including oil, coal, and forests. Technology and innovation play a big role in making life easier and more connected for people. Food in the United States is very diverse, just like its people. Each region has its own specialties. For example, New York is famous for pizza, Texas for barbecue, and Louisiana for Cajun food. Americans also enjoy fast food like burgers and fries. Traditional holidays like Thanksgiving feature turkey, mashed potatoes, and pumpkin pie. There is a lot we can learn from the United States. The country teaches us about diversity, innovation, and the importance of freedom and democracy. It shows how people from different backgrounds can work together and create progress. The United States is a country full of opportunities, culture, and knowledge. From its beautiful landscapes to its strong economy, from its diverse people to its technological advancement, there is much we can admire and learn. Thank you for listening.